welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be making a facial mask. A facial mask that's going to help your skin to look younger and fresher and naturally glowing skin. This mask also contains skin tightening properties that will have to tighten and firm the skin. You want to have your skin looking younger. You want that healthy glow to the skin. Then here is your mask. So let's get in my kitchen. We're going to whip it up, and I'm also going to share some tips on how to get the best result from using this mask on the skin. Before I jump in the kitchen, however, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Also, the little bell icon at the side, if you click on that and turn on post notification on your phone from YouTube, you will get a notification as soon as I post a video. Now let's get in the kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe and let's start making this remedy. For this recipe, you will need a small blender. My first ingredient is rice, and today I'm using white rice. Rice has been used for centuries on the skin and also for hair care. I'm using the rice because of the starch, and the starch in rice help to lift, tighten, and firm the skin. Rice also have exfoliating properties which will help to clear skin pigmentation, get rid of dead skin cells on the skin, and leave the skin with a natural glow. I'm also using the rice for its vitamins and minerals, which is great for the skin topically. I'm using a 1/4 cup of rice, and I'm going to pour this in the blender. My second ingredient is a skin brightener. This is a turmeric powder. Turmeric helps to clear hyperpigmentation from the skin. It's great for getting rid of skin tags and warts, and it's great for just brightening and lightening the skin. It's a natural skin brightener. I'm using about a 1/2 teaspoon of the turmeric powder. When it comes on to turmeric, a little goes a long way. I'm adding this to the blender with the rice, and then I'm going to cover and I'm going to blend the two dry ingredients together. So go ahead and mix the two and blend to a fine powder. Now once this is done, I'm going to pour mine in a small bowl and take a look at this. You can clearly see this is blended to a powder, blended rice and turmeric. And this is going to be the base for our homemade skincare remedy. You can use this base as a facial mask, and you can use it as a facial scrub. Today I'm going to be using it as a facial mask. So I'm pouring 1 tablespoon of our blended turmeric and rice in a blender. Next, I'm going to reach for some rose water. Rose water have hydrating properties. It is used as a toner and a skin smoother. You can also use it to balance the natural pH levels of the skin. So I'm going to pour about a tablespoon of the rose water in the bowl with the rice. And next, I'm going to reach for some humectant. Humectant helps to lock moisture in the skin. And I'm using honey as my humectant. Not only will it lock the moisture in the skin, but it is very much hydrating. Just a little bit of the honey, around about a teaspoon of the honey, pour this in. Next, I'm going to add some milk powder, and milk powder contains lactic acid. Lactic acid will help to clear pigmentation on the skin, brighten and lighten the skin. So I'm using about a tablespoon of our milk powder, adding this to the blender. And next, we are going to reach for some liquid. Today, I'm going to use some hot water. You can choose to use plain hot water, or you can use some hot green tea, or even some hot coffee. So go ahead and pour about 3 tablespoons of your hot liquid in the blender. And once this is done, we are going to cover and we're going to blend to a creamy consistency. So go ahead and blend. Now after blending, take a look. Let me pour this out. And here you have your skin tightening facial mask, your hydrating, skin brightening facial mask, turmeric rice facial mask. So what we're going to do, we are going to pour this in a small container, a storage jar. This you can store in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. Use it up within 7 days, and then you're going to use it on the skin. You can choose to use it room temperature, or you can choose to use it cold on the skin. Such an amazing rice cream. So to use this, and you want to be generous with it, you're going to take a bit and you're going to apply it on your face, and you're going to apply it in circular motion. And I'm going to demonstrate on my hand really quick for you to see. Since we're short on time, rub it all over your face, completely cover your face, your neck, and your décolleté. Now once this is done, what you're going to notice is that it's going to have a bit of a granules that is also helping to exfoliate. So leave it on the skin for about 30 minutes. It's going to dry on the skin. Now once it is dried on the skin, you're going to rinse off, preferably with some cold water, pat dry the skin, and reveal beautiful looking skin. 2 to 3 times per week is best. However, this is safe to use on the skin daily. Give it a chance to work on the skin. It's not magic, so whip it up, make it, and use it for a couple of weeks, and watch your skin go from dull, rough looking skin to a bright, naturally spotless, glowing skin. Store in the refrigerator and make a new batch in 7 days.